Hey, Goldie wants y'all to know that the struggle you're in today is the strength you need for tomorrow. That's right, so let's keep singing until we develop that voice that we are working so hard for.
Yo, what's good? So, sometime what you gotta do is you gotta do what it takes to train.
Hey, hi, ho, you.
A-E-I-O-U.
Hey, hi, ho, you.
A-E-I-O-U.
Hey, hi, ho, you.
A-E-I-O-U.
Hey, hi, ho, you.
Now I want to hear the E. I want to hear E. I don't want to hear he.
Okay.
A-E-I-O-U.
Hey, hi, ho, you.
A-E-I-O-U.
Hey, hi, ho, you.
E.
E,
E.
E,
E.
E,
E.
E,
E.
E,
E.
E,
I.
I,
O.
O,
A-E-I-O-U.
Hey, I, O, you.
A-E-I-O-U.
Hey, I, O. I say see he. Okay. Hey, I, O, you.
A-E-I-O-U.
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 Hey, I, O, you.
So you see what that's trying to make you learn how to do too as well?
Different styles with it.
Different styles, and teaches you how to be able to put that in a song.
Okay.
Like just singing those same letters can create a song.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
But it's how you do it and how you sing it.
Okay.
So like I said, all those was different sounds.
Okay.
And you did pretty good with it.
Okay.
And that's just the same way I want you to be comfortable with words. And the reason why I kept doing it was because, again, I want you, and I always tell you since we started, always be clear with your words.
Okay.
Don't ever substitute it for something else right now. We can figure that out later. I know in the past, I think I've told you, sometimes when you can't do it, say something to make it kind of sound like that, but I don't want to teach you the wrong way, you know what I mean? I want you to be able to say these words and let it belch out clear. Okay. You know what I'm saying? So, just like that A-E-I-O-U, you know, you were saying he, for example, and that's not what I was saying. So it's important to always hear, and also important for you to give back what I give you. So when I give you that A, I want to hear A. When I give you that A-E, I want to hear the E. I want to hear the I-O-U. Those, you know, those are ways for you to, and the reason why we do it back and forth is because it teaches you to hear what I'm saying and duplicate it to yours, and to be able to say it without stumbling.
Okay. Did you think I did a little bit of style with it when I was saying it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I want, and the reason why, again, I want you to keep doing those type of stuff is because it will gradually come to you to be able to put that into your own style and music. You know what I'm saying? So again, when you're singing, everything is so simple. You don't have to make it hard.
Okay.
So you don't have to focus on a lot of things because it's already there.
Okay.
But you can take simple things and make it sound good.
Okay.
And that's the main reason why I did that. Because you don't have to go into, that's like making up a song, singing words after words just for a verse. But you can sing one word or a couple of words and sing that to the best of your ability. And people want to just hear that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So, again, listening to different music and instrumentals will help you. Okay? Now, again, go to that YouTube Asian War CC1. I want to hear, again, you might don't think, well, I don't know if I'm cut out for this one. I don't know if I'm whatever. Don't label your voice.
Okay.
always be outside. When people see you, and this is the reason why I'm doing this, because 9 times out of 10, I bet anybody that sees you with a mic in your hand, before you sing, they're only going to think you fit in one category.
Okay.
I don't want, when people see me and when I sing, people probably think, oh, I can only probably sing that. But then little do they know, I can take it anywhere or sing anything.
Okay.
And when you be able to do those type of things and go on into different music, you don't want one style, because number 2 might be your blessing.
Okay.
If you sing R&B and you do good, but you sing gospel, great. Which category, if you was to hit big, that they're going to put you in?
Yeah.
They're going to put you in gospel. There are people that on America's Idol or whatever that will go on there and sing R&B song, but their voice and their style puts them in a different category.
Okay.
Like Ruben Studdard, he got like R&B voice, but what he went to gospel. And so by me giving you different songs and different types of different people who sings differently, even if it's not your voice, it just teaches you how to be versatile in singing. You don't ever want to sound the same. You don't ever want somebody to think that's the only far as you can go. You want to be able to move from here to there. Just like how when I listen to music and you always say how you can do this and how you can do that, it's because I keep listening to different things and I keep applying it. So again, I don't want you to just stick in one place. I want you to be able to sing where anytime you hear a beat, you can get into it.
Okay.
So I want you to put in, like I say, YouTube, CC1 and Waging War. It's a gospel song, but I just want to see how well to see if I could put you in gospel or can I just leave you out and just stick with something else. You know what I'm saying?
Cool.